So today we're going to be showing how to replace a finger off of a compact finger module. So these are the new compact finger modules, and so we're going to be replacing this blue finger piece here. So the only thing holding it together are these two screws up top. So that will require us to have a torque wrench with a 6mm nut driver. So the first thing I'm going to do is just unscrew these screws up top. I can take these out and place them down because I will need them for later. And then this base will just lift right off of the finger here. So now if this is damaged or just worn beyond use, you can go ahead and throw that out, and I'll grab my new finger. And this is going to come with this insert already attached here, just like you see here. So then, if I look at my base and my finger, you can see that one side of my finger has a little bit more of a curvature to it, whereas the bottom side here just has more of a flat and 90-degree angle, and you'll see kind of a matching profile on the finger base. The other way to show the orientation is you'll see this mounting interface with the O-ring and the inside face of the finger. Those will need to match up. So then they'll kind of slip together just easily like that. And then all I need to do is grab my two screws and thread them back in. And then I can grab my torque wrench again with a 6mm nut driver and set to 150 Newton centimeters and go ahead and tighten them down. And that's all there is to it.